All right, so I'm getting ready to take the motor to the machine shop. One problem I have is that the motor is about 300 and something pounds. I'm trying to take care of it myself and put it into the vehicle. I don't have a truck, but I do have a Jeep. So I have an idea where I'm going to try to take the motor on the motor mount and roll it to the car, which is kind of sitting in a little bit of a decline, and try to mate it up. So we'll see what happens. All right, so here's the engine right here on the motor mount. I went ahead and turned it sideways.
Turn that some sideways.
There's about 23 inches between the motor and the ground. So I'm going to try to take the whole assembly, roll it over here past this point, and then put it right in there into the Jeep.
The next morning.
All right, just got done dropping off the block. I would have filmed me taking it out and everything, but it's coming down pretty hard. Ran like cats and dogs out here in Colorado Springs. So looks like they'll be able to, take a look at it, get it cleaned up, measure it up and everything, and then come back with what we'll need to do as far as ordering the pistons and the bearings and everything. Alright guys, as you saw, we have successfully dropped off the block to the machine shop down in Colorado Springs. It's going to take them about a week and a half just to get everything cleaned up and start the measurement process. Once we get the measurements, we'll have a better idea of what options we have as far as pistons, if we use the original pistons or if we're going to need to get a upgraded set that may be closer to OEM, or even go a little bit further and get some high performance or forged pistons. But we won't know until we get the measurements. So during this downtime, I'm going to use this time to purchase some other items that we're going to need to successfully complete this build. One is getting a rebuilt AEB head and using the original one that I have as a core. After just looking at the time and cost and all that stuff for doing this, it seems to be more efficient just to go ahead and get a rebuilt one. Now we'll be taking a closer look at buying some stainless steel valves since the OEM ones are sodium filled and have a tendency of failing under high heat and high pressure depending on the horsepower level that you're achieving. Speaking of which, I may be scaling up the horsepower target, just seeing kind of the comments that are coming in regarding the type of materials I'm using in the engine. There may be some capacity for a little bit more power and boost. So thanks for taking a look at this video. I really appreciate you guys viewing and leaving comments. If this is something that you think some of your friends would enjoy or would like to maybe try on their own, definitely feel free to share this video. And also, if you have any tips or tricks or any information that I could use during this 1.8 liter turbo build as the engine itself, definitely send it my way. I would definitely appreciate it. So thanks again, and look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.